Mga katrops, tuloy-tuloy lang tayo sa ating sugod bahay. Ito naman ang tinatawag na the bridge in. Itong bahay na ito mga katrops. Yan o. Yan. Let's go. Check natin kung magkano itong bahay at gano'ng kalupit yung lugar. Come on, let's go. Oh my goodness, look at that. Ito yung pintuan sa main door. At ito yung makikita mo mga katrops. Yan. Oh, malaki. What's this, Marley? Oh, like a wardrobe.
Nice. Oh, look at that one.
Nice. Look at this.
I like this.
Wow, look at that. You like it? It's so nice. It's so nice, mga katrops. Ang galing na pagka-design. Right, Mama Cats?
Yeah, they have the construction. See the orange.
Oh, yeah. 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 Yeah, the basement is not yet done. The basement. Yeah, I like the living room. See, ang laki ng pagka-layout nito mga katrops. So, kasi nakadiretso to sa pagkainan, tapos yung kusina. Tingnan mo naman yung kusina. Mga katrops, ang lupit.
Oh my gosh,
I like it.
This is my favorite.
Ang galing talaga ng pagka-set up. Yung countertop nila, oh. Ang galing, di ba? Ibang design naman to mga katrops, oh. Diba? Wala siyang hugasan, oh. No faucet, di ba? Yeah, see? Look at that.
What is this?
See? Look at that. Like a bar top.
It's a table.
Yes, a table. Look at this. This is the fridge. Different kind of fridge, mga katrops, see? Look. Akala mo, ano lang eh. Cardboard, pero fridge yan mga katrops. Yeah. Oh, ito yung backyard nila mga katrops. Ang laki din pala yun. Yan. Lupit. Let's go upstairs. Yeah, the backyard. Yeah, the patio. Yeah, I like it. Nice. The deck and the patio is over there. Mga katrops. I like this kitchen. So nice mga katrops. Let's go upstairs now. I like this. Come on, come on. Yung mga katrops, oh. Pag nandito ka bandaw, tingnan mo kano kalapit yan, oh. Oh, laki pala ng hallway nito, eh, oh. Open na open yung hallway, mga katrops. No, so meron pa pala ditong ano mga katrops, oh. Marang maliit na sala. Kathleen, what you doing? This is your room. I like your room. First bedroom. I like it. Kathleen said, oh, come on, go down now.
I'm jumping.
Yeah. Stop jumping. I like this one because it's very cozy. Wow. Tapos ito yung second bedroom mga katrops. I like it. Oh wow, look at this.
Nice.
For boys. Yeah. I like this one. For the boys. See? Yeah. I like this room. Ito yung mga washroom sa labas.
Fire massive washroom.
Yeah. Ito yung laundry room.
I like this laundry. Laki maka-wash.
Yeah, you can wash it here. Then this one too. Come. Okay, come on, let's go. Wow, this is the master bedroom. I like it.
Oh, nice.
Very nice.
Oh my gosh.
See? Yan yung mga katrops. Yung master bedroom, ang galing, ang lupit. Ang laki. Nice, oh. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ang laki nito, oh. Okay. Let's go to the washroom. Oh my goodness, pwede ka mag-basketball dito sa washroom pala mga katrops. Oh. Ang laki, oh. Tinan mo yung shower room. Wow, time is over here. Amen, time. Very nice too, very nice.
It's my favorite bathtub.
Yeah, I know.
Oh,
Tapos yung washroom, karugtong nito yung closet na. Pagtapos, labas kayo dito. Oh, ito yung washing mga katrops. Parang maze, di ba? Yan. Ang galing. Lupit itong pagka-layout ng bahay ah. Mga katrops ha, this is how you turn on the lights daw, sabi ni Demdan. Oh wow, look at that. This other one too. Nice.
look at this.
Yeah, no.
This is heart mode.
Yeah, no. So yan mga katrops. Itong bahay na to ay 699,000 Canadian dollars. Kung gusto niyo tong layout na to, kasi gusto ako. Personally, gusto ko tong layout na to eh. Bilhin nyo na to mga katrops kasi bagong community to eh. Nasa west side lang to ng Lethbridge. Ayan. So nandito lang yung bunting vlog natin sa The Bracken, not Bracken, The Bracken na bahay. Stay tuned and rock and roll and see you to the next house.
Like our video, please like and subscribe.
Rock and roll!